Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it day natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural. Make your skin tight, skin fine. Make your skin so natural, skin fly. Make your skin day spotless, skin nice.
So guys, I'm here again. I want to show you my very effective solution that I use. I'm going to be pro-mixing this into some other creams. This is my very effective solution that I use on eczema. If you have what's it called? Also, I use on eczema. You have white dots, those black dots on the skin caused by creams and other steroids. This is a very good solution to use. So I did this in a double boiler method. I'm going to leave this to cool down, then I'm going to be mixing my creams in there. This is actually on its own very effective for skin issues, but today I'm going to be pro-mixing other creams in there. So guys, stay tuned as I show you what I use to pro-mix this super effective secret solution. Okay, it's okay. So guys, that's my solution. My solution has cooled down. I'm going to be using cacactin today. Cacactin is very good. It's an antiseptic cream which is very good for eczema, skin conditions. This is derived from herbs. I'm going to be using some of this cacactin cream. So cacactin cream into the mixture. This is very good on its own. It can help to clear those white spots on the skin, eczema on the skin. So secondly, I'll be adding in Hyaluron cream. This contains, I'm using this because it contains globatasol, and globatasol is very good to cure eczema on the skin. So I'm going to be adding in how many do I say? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to be adding in 6 globatasol, 6 hyaluron creams into this mixture. So stop it. So these are my base creams that I'll be using for this recipe today. I have here 4 cacactin creams and about 6 of the hyaluron cream. Hyaluron cream, like I said earlier, contains the globatasol, and globatasol, it's a very good solution for clearing eczema, white dots on the skin, white spots, black spots, and other conditions. So to perfect this recipe, I'm going to be adding in my solution, my secret solution for eczema, into the mixture. I'm going to be stirring this, mix it all in. This is very good to clear eczema on the skin. Eczema caused by allergy or eczema or skin reaction caused by creams. This will help clear it all. I also made a video of the Repair Black Soap. If you pair this with the Repair Black Soap, then you have a clear skin. And note guys, it's very important that if you identify the cause of white dots and eczema on the skin, it is very important that you stop the usage immediately. If you're using any cream and you start reacting to it, you start to have white spots, white dots, the first action is to stop using those creams before you start treatment. Because even when you treat and you continue using what causes it, it still remains there. So right now I'm going to be going in with my mixer. I'm going to be whisking this to make it more creamy. So I'm going to be using my whisker to whisk. So this is it guys, your anti-eczema cream. This is it guys, your anti-eczema cream is ready. So I'm going to be putting this into a container. Container is already sterilized, cleaned container. Turn in your mixture in there. And that's it guys, that's your anti-eczema cream. This can be used also on white dots. I have a lot of friends and people who have called me to complain about white dots on their skin. Guys, if you can do this at home, you get a very good result. The white dots will fade out, the eczema, it will even out eczema on your skin. But make sure you're getting the original of this stuff. And for my secret recipe, I may in future reveal this on my channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Who have called me to complain about white dots on their skin. Guys, if you can do this at home, you get a very good result. The white dots will fade out, the eczema, it will even out eczema on your skin. But make sure you're getting the original of this stuff. And for my secret recipe, I may in future reveal this on my channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching.
Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it dey natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural. Make your skin tight, skin fine. Make your skin so natural, skin fly. Skin day spotless, skin nice.